Hello friends, welcome to VGS Tech Lab, and this is the continuation of Cucumber interview question series. This is part 8. In this part we'll discuss few more questions. So let's start. So we'll discuss 5 more questions. Up to 25 we have already discussed, and 5 more questions that we'll discuss. So it will cover around 30 questions in this series. And friends, this will be the last video of this series, Cucumber interview question series. And almost we have covered all aspects that are related to Cucumber interview question, and it will be beneficial whenever you are going to interview. And I have covered almost all questions, all important questions I can say. And this way, if you go through this series, then definitely I can say that no questions will be out of this. Okay, so let's discuss question number 26. Give an example of background keyword in Cucumber. Although we have discussed already the background keyword, but we'll discuss more in depth about background keyword. And question number 27. What is the use of BDD in agile methodology context? Okay. And now question number 28. What is the meaning of the test runner class in Cucumber? Question number 29. What are the hooks in Cucumber? So generally people get confused between background keyword and hooks. So that will cover in this session only, in this video only. And question number 30. Should any code be written within the test runner class? So let's discuss one by one. So give an example of background keyword in Cucumber. So background keyword means user is logged in, given I navigate to the login page. When I submit username and password, then I should be logged in. Okay. So when there are multiple given statements are there, then we can combine in the background keyword. Okay. And see, background keyword is run before each scenario. Okay, so this is the very important point actually. Background keyword is run before each scenario, but after any hooks. If we apply any hooks, then after hooks will be run, then background keyword will execute. Okay, so background keyword is run before each scenario, but after any before hooks. In your feature file, put the background keyword before the first scenario. Okay, and this will cover in the coming question when we'll discuss about hooks. So let's proceed to the next question. So question number 27. What is the BDD? What is the use of BDD in agile methodology context? So the advantage of behavior driven development are best realized when non-technical users such as business analyst use BDD to draft requirement and provide the same to the developer for the implementation. Okay. Now in BDD methodology, user story can be written in format of a feature file, means plain English text language using Gherkin syntax, like we have discussed, given, when, then. Okay, and the same can be taken up for the implementation by the developer. So this is the main advantage of BDD in agile context. Okay. Now next one, question number 28. What is the meaning of test runner class in Cucumber? What is the meaning of test runner class in Cucumber? So test runner class is used to provide the link between feature file and step definition file. Okay, so test runner class is generally an empty class with no class definition. Okay, so here you can see there is no implementation, empty class is there, but there are some annotation like @run with cucumber.class and @cucumber option tag. Cucumber option tag will tell you where is the feature file and where is the step definition file are there. So in this way we can run from there only. So this is the starting point, I can say. Test runner class is the starting point of the execution. Okay. Now next one, what is the hooks? This is very important question. Okay, and here also we'll clear the difference between background and hooks. The Cucumber supports hooks, which are block of code that run before or after each scenario. So you can define them anywhere in your project or step definition layer using the method, using the annotation, I can say @before and @after. These two hooks are there only, @before and @after. Cucumber hooks allow us to better manage the code workflow and helps us to reduce the code redundancy. So we can say that it is an unseen steps which allow us to perform our scenario or test. And the important thing that between a difference between hooks and background, so the difference is when it run. Background run before each of your scenario, but after any of your before hooks. So this is very important point. Difference is when it run, so, and background run before each of your scenario, but after your before hooks. Okay. Now question number 30. Should any code be written within test runner class? No. No code should be written under the test runner class. It should include the tags run with and @run with and @cucumber option tag. So this is the last question, and this is last video of this series, and I have covered almost all important questions. And friends, I'll give you one more time assurity that if you gone through the questions, all 30 questions, then definitely and obviously the prerequisite thing, you should aware about the Cucumber, how we can create the framework and all these things. And after that, if you go through this series, and definitely you will be rocked in any interview. So with this, thank you for watching this video, and if you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.